Hello, friends! Look at these colorful slime jars. Today, we'll play with slime. Wow, so fun here! Wow, this red slime is so stretchy. R-E-D, red. Wow, I love this. Wow, I love this. Look, it's a funny slime monster. Hello, friends! I'm so excited to learn the ABC alphabet with real funny animals today. We're going on an alphabet adventure together. Wow, so fun here! Let's begin with the first letter of the alphabet. This is the letter A. Can you say A? Great! A says ah. A is for alligator climbing the letter A. A is for apple. A is for alligator. A is for apple. A is for alligator. Ah, 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 ah. A is for apple. A is for alligator. Ah, 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 ah. A is for apple. A is for airplane. A is for alligator. Yay, letter A. A for astronaut. Wow, so fun here. When we make a sound like ah, it always starts with the letter A. Peekaboo. 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 Hello, friends. I'm so happy to see you today. Are you ready for the next letter? B is for baby. B is for baby. B is for baby. Can you clap like a baby? Clap, clap, clap. Ba, ba, ba. Say it with me. Ba, ba, ba. B for bear.
Hello! I am a big, friendly bear. B for bear. Bear.
Hello, bear. Nice to see you today. Balls? Wow, look at them fall. B is for balls. Can you say it with me? B for balls. This is a bear, but he looks a little sad today. Here comes a happy little bee. Boo, 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 boo. Bear and bee are playing together. B for baby. B for bee. B for bear. Wow! We learned letter B! Hooray!
The bear found a big honeycomb!